Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? We have here a 2020 Lamborghini Urus. This client was sick and tired of going to the dealership, having to deal with waiting there for hours, or even sometimes getting a loaner coming back the next day. He thought there has to be a more convenient way to get your oil change done. So he Googled mobile oil change and he found us. Over 300 five-star reviews. I guess it was a no-brainer for him. Gave us a shot. Now he's a loyal client. Very satisfied customer. So we showed up on time here. This is, I think, in the Biscayne area of Miami, Florida. We service all of Broward and Miami, by the way. But this client gave us a shot. We showed up on time, punctual, great communication. I believe he booked the oil change through text message as well. And we brought top quality, full synthetic, Mobile 1. We went and bought the oil filter at the dealership. We reset his maintenance reminder, topped off all his liquids, and we also blew out his air intake. It was pretty dirty.